There are many swimming pools that you can place in your home, but as a newcomer or as a fresh homeowner, do you really want to spend too much effort and money on making a swimming pool? There is nothing more than you could have better than an above-ground pool for your home. Owning an above-ground pool has more advantages than the others. In this video, we will show you 6 of the best above-ground pools that you can find on the market this year, and maybe owning one of them will be a really smart choice for you.
Introducing the Ultra XTR Above Ground Pool, the toughest above ground pool. Extra strong 3-ply puncture-resistant liner and optimized frame design, combined with high-quality galvanized steel, enhance the overall quality, durability, and stability. And the inner and outer powder coating provides powerful protection against rust. 53% stronger than regular metal frame pools, making this the leader in its class. Easy to assemble frame components that simply snap together with no tools needed and be ready in no time. Equipped with crystal clear sand filter pump and hydro aeration eliminates the need for cartridges, making it easy to maintain. 2-year limited warranty guarantees a peace of mind pool ownership. The premium Ultra XTR Pool. Add summer fun and beauty to any backyard. It's the toughest above ground pool, period.